Welcome to Investing for Beginners, the channel that makes investing easy and accessible for everyone. If you're just starting out on your investment journey, you're in the right place. Investing can be overwhelming, confusing, and intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with investing. First, let's talk about why you should invest. Investing is all about making your money work harder for you. When you invest your money, you're putting it to work in the hopes of earning a return on your investment. This return can come in the form of capital gains, dividends, or interest payments. Over time, your investments can grow and compound, potentially earning you even more money. But where do you begin? The first step is to start small. Don't try to invest all of your savings at once. Start with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable with the process. Next, it's important to do your research. Before you invest in any stock, bond, or mutual fund, make sure you understand what you're investing in. Learn about the company, the industry, and the overall market conditions. This will help you make informed investment decisions and reduce your risk. Another important concept in investing is diversification. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies. This can help reduce your overall risk and increase your chances of earning a return on your investment. Camera cuts to a shot of the host holding up a sign that says, "Consider index funds." Host, if you're new to investing, consider starting with index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific stock market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer broad diversification, low fees, and a simple way to get exposure to the stock market. Finally, it's important to stick to your investment plan. Don't let short-term market fluctuations or emotional reactions sway your investment decisions. Stay disciplined, stay focused on your long-term goals, and keep investing regularly. Thanks for watching this video on investing for beginners. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it takes patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. But with the right mindset and approach, anyone can become a successful investor. Happy investing!